Welcome back to the Car Collective, where we bring you the future of driving today. And this time, we've got our hands on one of the most anticipated compact SUVs of the coming year, the 2026 Toyota RAV4. The name's familiar, but trust us, what's underneath is something entirely new. The RAV4 has always been Toyota's bread-and-butter SUV. It's reliable, practical, and efficient. But with the 2026 model, Toyota's taking things to another level. This isn't just a refresh. It's a reimagination of what the RAV4 can be in a world that's charging forward, literally, into electrification. Let's talk design first. The 2026 RAV4 wears an all-new, aggressive exterior. It's sharper, sportier, and more premium than ever before. With a wider stance, bold new LED lighting signatures, and optional two-tone paint finishes, this RAV4 doesn't just blend in, it stands out. Toyota clearly wants this to be more than just a family-friendly commuter. They're aiming at urban, explorers and weekend adventurers alike. Under the hood, or should we say under the floor, you've got multiple powertrain options. Toyota has confirmed a next-gen hybrid system, and more excitingly, a fully electric RAV4 variant with up to 300 miles of range. Paired with Toyota's new solid-state battery tech being tested for commercial use, this SUV could deliver faster, charging and longer life than anything we've seen in the segment. Now step inside. The interior is where things take a huge leap forward. Gone are the days of basic plastics and functional but bland layouts. The 2026 RAV4 greets you with a sleek minimalist cockpit. A massive 14-inch floating infotainment screen dominates the center, powered by Toyota's updated multimedia platform with voice AI, seamless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. The materials have gotten a serious upgrade. Soft touch, surfaces, eco-leather, contrast stitching, and customizable ambient lighting create a space that actually feels premium. In the back, passengers get more legroom thanks to a slightly stretched wheelbase and a flatter floor, especially in the EV variant. And of course, you still get Toyota's legendary cargo flexibility with fold-flat rear seats and hidden storage compartments. Safety? No surprise, Toyota is loading it with their latest Safety Sense package. We're talking adaptive cruise, lane centering, auto emergency braking, intersection detection, and more. They're not just building a better SUV, they're aiming for the safest one in its class. Performance-wise, the hybrid delivers more torque and better efficiency than ever, while the electric version offers instant acceleration and surprisingly sharp handling thanks to a lower center of gravity. So what's the verdict? The 2026 Toyota RAV4 isn't just keeping up, it's leading. With bold styling, next-gen tech, impressive powertrains, and Toyota's signature reliability, this compact SUV is ready to dominate both city streets and mountain passes. Make sure you hit that like button if you're impressed, subscribe to the Car Collective for more future-first car content, and let us know in the comments. Would you go hybrid or full electric with the new RAV4? Until next time, drive smart, stay curious.